Hey guys, what's happening? To reduce ping and latency for online games. First, make sure to use a reliable or wired connection. Do not use Wi-Fi. Use internet for stable and faster experience. Next, choose the nearest server. Right? Connect to a game server closest to your location. Includes any background apps. Right? Stop downloads, streaming, and other bandwidth heavy activities. Optimize router settings. Enable QoS, quality of service, to prioritize gaming traffic. You can find that if you connect it to your internet. And make sure to use 5G hertz. Like if wired isn't an option, 5G hertz Wi-Fi is faster with less interference, right? And make sure to restart your router. Refresh the connection reduces potential slowdowns. Right? Make sure to update also your drivers and firmware. Keep your network drivers and router firmware up to date. Right? And if that's still if you want to get a better experience, also you can use a gaming VPN. Some VPNs reduce routing and efficiencies and lower ping. Right? So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. We will catch you in the next time.